Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how we can upload and edit PDF documents online in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to PDF document editor you use. I will go with this one here for the sake of this tutorial. And usually you should see on the home page a button like this, upload to edit. Alternately, you may also drop the PDF document file here. Just remember that some of these PDF editors have a maximum file upload limit, like in this case 100 MB. So click into this button, locate the PDF document on your device, and that is going to redirect you to the editing tool. Now there are two ways how you can do this, guys. You can, for example, start with a blank page here and add a new blank page, or if your document already features some content like this example PDF document here, you can edit it. You can click into these elements, resize them. For example, add various stamps to it, change the opacity of images, add images by clicking into this button, and after that locate the file on your device in a JPEG or PNG file format, resize the image. You can navigate through your pages here by using these arrow up and down icons. Then you can pan across your document or use that listed to the left to navigate through your PDF document pages. And then let's say you'd like to add some text or edit text. So this is how you can do it. Let's say you have already some text here. What you need to do is click into edit text, and then you will see this text box here highlighted. So you may click into it, double click, and simply change the text. Save the changes by clicking into this button, or reject them by clicking into cancel or delete. Or you add a text box yourself. So let me do that really quickly here on page number 1. Click into text. And what you want to do is select the color of your text, the font size, the alignment, and so on and so forth, and click into your document to add the text here. And that's it, guys. Now, there are of course also other options. You can add a signature, draw lines, use the highlighter, text highlighter, and basically edit all of these. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking into done in the top right. And have a wonderful day.